I was gifted this Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream, and this is one I've been reaching for in my nighttime routine. If you've been wanting to try a retinol but are worried about it feeling too strong or heavy, this one feels really lightweight on the skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave that greasy or thick feeling that some creams can. One thing I noticed right away is how far a small amount goes. You really only need a pea-sized amount, and it spreads easily, so it feels like the tube will last a while. It's made with retinol along with bakuchiol and some more nourishing ingredients, so it feels balanced and not overly harsh when you apply it. I've been using it at night, and it layers well with the rest of my skincare without pilling or feeling like too much. It's also fragrance-free, which I always appreciate, especially for something I'm using consistently. Overall, if you're already considering a gentle retinol and want something that feels lightweight and easy to use, this is a really solid option to add into your routine.